Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by dutchpapergirl. This video is about a beautiful low poly Capricorn, designed by Methakura. Enjoying my holiday in Tecklenburg, Germany, I felt like a Capricorn myself, and I stumbled onto these Hexenkuh, wonderful rocks, and I thought that's the ideal place to take pictures of this wonderful Capricorn. You can download this pattern for free, but it's that good. You should give her something for the effort. So give it a go and make this wonderful Capricorn or one of the other designs by Methakura. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!